Hey, Wonderhussy here, camping out in the beautiful Tahoe National Forest. This campsite has everything you could ask for in a campsite. It's gorgeous, it's peaceful, and it's free. There's only one thing lacking at this campsite, and that's the fact that it being in the Tahoe National Forest and it being a free campsite, there's a fire ban in effect. And what fun is camping if you can't have a campfire? How am I supposed to make Frito pie? Well, not to worry, I've come up with a solution thanks to modern technology. Presenting the Campfire by Jackery. That's right, this awesome portable power station is not only good for charging my laptop, my cell phone, and my other devices, I can also use it to power my campfire. Now that's a fire that will leave no trace. Not burning any national forest down with this. Anyway, all joking aside, of course I can't cook Frito pie on it and it doesn't put off any warmth, but it does give you that fireside glow feeling and it makes the campsite cozy so that I can enjoy my lukewarm Frito pie in relative comfort and cozy ambiance. Just another awesome use for this awesome product. And I know you guys probably think I'm just shilling for them, but I seriously really like this thing. It comes in useful for so many things on the road and it's so easy to use. You just plug it into your cigarette lighter while you're driving and it charges. And what's more, it even comes with solar panels. So if I'm camped someplace for a few days and I'm not driving, I can still keep all my devices juiced up using just the power of the sun. I actually just got these solar panels and I am in love. I've been wanting some kind of portable solar power system for a while now, but I don't know, it always just seemed too complicated because I have no head for electrical stuff. But this Jackery system is super easy. You just unfold the solar panels, put up the little legs, point the panels toward the sun, then plug your Jackery directly into this little connection in the zipper pouch. Supposedly it takes about 7 hours to fully charge this particular model Jackery in direct sunlight. Now, I haven't ever tried charging this from 0%, but I can tell you that it does charge pretty quickly in direct sunlight, and even on an overcast, misty day like today, you can see it's picking up 14-15 watts. I put the link to both these products in the description so you can check them out for yourself if you're interested. But I can tell you that this is definitely one of my favorite pieces of camp gear now, especially now that I have the solar panels. Anyway, tonight I'm camping at this forest on the beach and there's no fire ban in effect, so I can have a real campfire. Nothing beats the smell, the sound, and the warmth of a real fire. But the Jackery still comes in handy for ambiance. Let's party! Woo!